Hey guys, thanks for tuning in back to DNA Vlog. So this is part 2 of the Mojo Xplorer kit installation, where in this part we actually install all the parts of the actual Explorer kit. In the first part we had shown you all the uninstallation, like how to remove the headlamp and the radiator covers and all. So if you have not watched that, I would advise to watch that first, if you need help with the uninstallation. If not, you can start from here, and just one part we have showed in the how to assemble this headlight and how to connect it with the frame and all. That will all shown in part 1, so you might have to look at the part 1. Uska thoda sa towards the end we have shown that. So after you've seen that, once completely see this video, okay, do watch the video once completely so that you are aware what all goes where all, and then you can start the installation process. And apart from while installing, if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments, or you can also ping Autologue on Instagram and ask them questions further. So next we are going to install the whole tank cover first. You need to slightly widen the tank cover, from here, and slide it inside over here like this. So next, now why did we install this tank cover first? Because we had to mount this headlight ka main bracket. The main frame or the main structure is this part, which you slide in from this side. Once you slide in, put it between the जो tank का rubber है back side पे, okay, between that and the tank का cover, original tank का rubber and main Explorer kit का cover, in between you put that over here, match the holes and put a bolt in there, again 10 number bolt, and then put the second bolt over here. Next you need to install the second bracket, which will be on the right hand side. Now this bracket will be a bit tricky to add inside because यहाँ पे सब wires and all are present, cables are present, so it's slightly tricky. Patiently अंदर push करना after moving the this cables and all, push it aside this side and then slide them inside. मतलब if I let you know from the front side, when you're sliding in the bracket, put all the cables on the left side so that you can slide the bracket easily. Next we are installing the side panel. जो tank cover is there, the bracket that you installed, that has already got threads, so you put the screws over here. Again all 10 number bolt will be provided. So once these two bolts are tightened, only after that you need to tighten all these bolts, मतलब ये और ये नीचे वाला. तब तक keep them not fully tightened but partially tightened. Now guys, in certain cases ये पूरा bracket नहीं आएगा, आपको ये L shape में मिलेंगे, which will somewhat fit like this over here, okay. Only in certain cases, all latest kits are coming with this one, because certain bikes have issue with this part. So the Autologue has changed the design, and you will get L-shaped brackets over here, on which your top panel the tank cover will sit. Next we are going to install the headlight assembly with the bracket and all that we had done. We are going to mount it on the body brackets. So this body brackets that we installed, we are going to put the headlight bracket on that. Again 10 number bolts will be provided in this. So this is the right side ka view, and front and top view for how the bracket fits in, okay, and the left side ka view. So this is how your headlight assembly should mount on the body. Now don't tighten this completely right now. Abhi we'll adjust it, we'll tighten it fully after we put the front headlight जो ऊपर का that cover that we got. After we put that here, then we'll tighten this so that we can align everything. And now remember one thing, before fitting the panel, ये जो यहाँ का bolt था, okay, it will be somewhat like this big bolt with a big head, that you have to remove. वो निकाल देना है, and you need to put almost a flat head. This is almost a flat head. Why? Because when the panel fits from this side, the Explorer kit panel, if this is there, the panel will be eaten out due to vibrations and all, and then it will create a hole inside it. So instead you put this flat head. This will come along with the kit. So guys, we forgotten to show you how to install the indicators. Now this is a different panel because ये color अलग है और body पे अलग panel लगा हुआ है, the current installation पे. So your indicators that you remove, जो stock indicators आप निकालते हो, वो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, बस यहाँ से बड़े hole में you have to pass the wire, and जो ये indicators के slots हैं यहाँ पे, the mounting slots and the locking slot, this both will match in the panel, and your indicator will sit like this. You can lock the bolt from behind, and then you can install the panel. Irfan will install the panel. You have to just slide it inside like this ऊपर से, and then नीचे लेके आना इधर, match the hole over here and install the first bolt. Do not over tighten the first bolt, सिर्फ जगह पे डालना है so that the panel doesn't fall off immediately. Once this bolt is in place, then you have to put your hand from here behind, from the back side, put a nut at that place, okay, and a bolt from here. This also I'll show you in a while. So now what we did is aligned all the holes first. We've just put the screw bolt from top, nut पीछे से अभी लगाया नहीं है, nut we have to install. Same here, we've pushed the bolt so that the panel is aligned, and then finally you have to, now my phone can't reach inside. You see that rubber ka part, the white painted, you have to push the panel inside like a OEM fitment. Once all are in place, you can put your hand from behind over here, okay, and hold the nut, and once your nut is in place, you can tighten it from this side. So this right side panel has also been installed. Now why we asked you to put the horn inside is, if you look at the panel spacing, it is very less. Yes. So this is the spacing left. So that is the reason why you need to put the horn inside, so that it doesn't touch the panel, and panel is as low as this part. So you will also get one of these brackets. अभी ये testing वाला piece है. The right one is packed inside in a kit, बाहर नहीं है, तो we are using this one now. तो how this bracket fits is, ये जो U part है, it fits in your chassis like this. Okay, it comes in here. Then you have to slide it inside, and it goes behind these holes, and you match the holes and bolt it. Now why we are putting this bracket? So that the panel doesn't move left and right, because the other side had a mounting location. You had that notch to put it inside, but on this side of the bike, of the original bike, stock bike doesn't have anything to mount over here. So this is an alternative mount that Autologue has done, so that your panel sits firm and it doesn't vibrate. Irfan is now adding the nuts and bolts. Bolt आगे से जाता है, and पीछे से you will be able to put your hand and fit a nut. Both the bolts have been installed, and this is how the bracket looks. Approximately ऐसे दिखता है. I can't put my phone inside completely, so you won't get a complete view. But tentative mount ऐसे लगेगा. And there was a question on the Xplorer kit जो review किया था मैंने, उसमें there was a question from few people कि यहाँ पे जो coolant tank है, उसका हमको level कैसे दिखेगा? How will you see the level? So this is how you see the coolant level. You can see the whole tank, and पूरा आपको level यहाँ से पता चल जाता है. So next we are installing the headlamp cover. So you have to slide the headlight cover, आगे से slide करना है, and there are slots over here for the headlight. So you have to match that slots. It will fit perfectly, and then only push it inside. Once you have pushed inside, then you can put one or two bolts, match the holes, and put the bolts. So match the holes, and then पीछे back side पे you have to put the nuts. I'll show you the back side again in some time. So one tip for you guys, before starting the installation, have a look at the complete video once, and then do the installation step by step. And also while installing, remember that you don't have to utilize this hole, this hole, this hole at the beginning while fixing these things. Like when you're installing the headlamp and mating it to the side panel, utilize only these two holes. When you're installing the tank cover and mating it with the side panel, you have to utilize this hole and this hole. You have to leave this vacant. Now why we are leaving these vacant right now is because इसके ऊपर और एक there are going to be other panels over here. This side covers, the small parts are going to be coming on that part. Irfan has installed the left hand side also. ये दोनों bolts भी आ गए हैं, and इसके भी मैं आपको back side पे दिखा देता हूँ nuts. So guys, the bike has changed while installation. Please ignore that part. We have got different panels. I mean bike वही है, panels different है. So we forgot to show you guys that we have to do the zip tie and all for all the cables inside. तो यहाँ पे एक मार दिया है, यहाँ पे एक मार दिया है. Then here we have one. Okay. this white zip tie, and then basically to hold everything together so that things are not scattered, things don't move around here and there once the meter and all is installed. Secondly, for visor you have to use this 4 aluminum mounts that Autologue will provide, and they are to be mounted from inside like this. You got a bolt from behind, okay, and then it comes on the front here. So you will get like these mounts. They're flat at bottom and at the top side they're slant. So why slant? I'll show you this while installing the visor. But when you install these on the body, on the headlight cover, make sure you do not tighten them completely. थोड़ा सा उसको loose रखना है, okay? This all should be loose. Don't tighten it completely. Now, why we asked you to keep loose? Because ये जो एक side पे जो slant you had seen, so जो slant part है, you need to mate it with the visor का body, okay? It should be flat fitting like this. There should be no gap in between. So that is the reason it is flat. Now you might face some, it's a tedious job. ये straight नहीं होगा. थोड़ा सा आपको adjust करते करते you have to install. Okay. So that is the reason why keep it, don't tighten it completely. Match the positions. Face to face करो. उसका head and visor का flat back. Get it face to face. Put the bolt. And उसके बाद last में सब कुछ tight करना है. So this is how you will install the visor. Match all the 4 screws. Do not tighten the all 4 screws. पूरा tight नहीं कीजिएगा. चारों screw एक एक जगह पे रख देना ऐसे. First, okay. We'll show you why. We have to align the visor and how वो भी दिखाएंगे. Next, we are going to install this meter and meter cover on the headlight. So there will be 2 such clips which have bolts at the back end side ऐसे. तो ये क्लिप्स यहाँ पे डाल देना एंड देन प्लेस द मीटर हियर एंड यहाँ से बोल्ट अंदर डालना है. सो ऑफ कोर्स ये भूलना मत. लेट मी शो यू विद द लाइट. डोंट फॉरगेट द सॉकेट. सो यू हैव टू देन स्लाइड द मीटर कवर इनसाइड केयरफुली, नॉट डैमेजिंग एनी कलर ऑन एनी साइड. ओके, pull the panel slightly outside if you want, and then pull the outer panel, headlight panel बाहर निकालो, and then meter panel अंदर push करो. Once it is almost like this in place, match the holes from front and put the bolts. सब match हो जाए, then take a small Allen key like this and tighten it. There's enough place for your hand to go inside to tighten both the bolts. Next you have to put the bottom nut and bolt. So you can't see it directly. I can't show it to you in the camera मतलब, but ये मीटर के नीचे बैक साइड पे इधर यहाँ पे नट बैठेगा और यहाँ पे से बोल्ट फ्रंट से जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वी गोइंग टू इंस्टॉल दी स्मॉल कवर दैट यू गोइंग टू गेट अलोंग. ये जो पैनल है साइड का उसके ऊपर बैठेगा एंड ये यहाँ से ऐसे रख के यू हैव टू पुट इन दी स्क्रूज फ्रॉम बैक साइड. पीछे होल्स हैव बीन गिवन. 2 होल्स है, एक ही होल है ना, 2 होल्स आर गिवन. यस, हाँ, वन इज एट दी top over here and second one is at the bottom side. Next we will install this liner, this cover that needs to go. So you have to mate it with this hole which is near the headlight. ये hole पीछे से bolt डालना है. I should be able to show you this. Somewhere here the bolt goes in. It's a lock nut which is inside. Okay, this one. So this side is installed completely. Again, to summarize, you start with this part first, this arm, lower arm first. Put the bolt from here, put the nut from back side. Do not full tighten it, पूरा tight नहीं करना है. उसके बाद second arm लो ऊपर वाला and then put this bolt first and पीछे उसका nut डालो. Do not tighten it completely. Bring both the arms together here, mate their hole. Put the bolt on top first. थोड़ा सा उसको loose रखना. Don't touch the tank cover till then. Once your bolt has come out from these 2 first, upper arm and lower arm, उसके बाद match the hole at the bottom and then insert the bolt and then tighten it. So I'll show you this again when we do on the other side so that it is easier for you guys to understand. Just to show you everything again, ये right side पे हम लोग installation कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे fit कर दिया है, यहाँ पे bolt fit कर दिया है, and now match these 2. इसके hole match करो, bring them together, pinch them together and then देन नीचे वाला होल मैच करना है. यू सी बॉटम पे मैच हो रहा है अभी, इधर गैप में थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है. एंड देन उसको टाइट कर दो ऊपर से. सो द कंप्लीट इंस्टॉलेशन इज डन. पूरा ख़त्म हो गया है. एंड इन अ वाइल आई विल ऑल्सो टेक द बाइक ऑफ द paddock and show it to you कैसे दिखती है. Apart from this looks, if you want to see any other shots, I mean there are a lot of reels on my Instagram or Autologue Design Instagram. Links for both the Instagram accounts I'll leave it in the video ka description and you can have a look at those. Here's the looks once more. And I've also done a preview video already of the I mean kind of a review video of the Xplorer kit, how it looks, kya kya parts hai वगैरह वगैरह. There's a red color Mojo that was done like a month ago. So I mean uploaded a month ago like on my channel. So I'll leave that also, link for that also in the video ka description. You guys can have a look at that also. Graphics on this one are pending because the customer is yet to decide which colors he wants. So once that is done, it will be stuck and then the bike is completely ready. So I'll end the video here. If you have any questions regarding the installation, do let me know, or you can ping Autologue Design 2 directly referring this video. If you're stuck somewhere or if you don't understand something, then you can call them and they can guide you further. So thanks for watching and I'll be signing off for now. See you again until another new video from me.
One's a compliment, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around. First rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, cancel pillows in the Chevy. Just like a darling, low hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight. No